Are you a poultry farmer and want to be able to monitor your farm from wherever you are around the world? Then this app that I'm about to share with you and this video is for you. Stay tuned. Tata could share and say, hi everyone, welcome back to Pantten Farms. My name is Hawa. In today's video, I wanted to share with you the app that I have been using for the past 6 to 8 months, and I thought it's an awesome app for a distance farmer, but for any farmer that does chicken production, and I just think that this app will be of use to anybody that does chicken production. And yeah, so let's get straight in and talk about the benefits of the app before I talk about the app itself. Alright, so benefit number one of this app is that it will calculate for you your egg collection. It will calculate the percentage of eggs you've collected. It will calculate the breakage of eggs you've had. It will calculate the average percentage each of your chickens are having or are laying. So it will calculate all that for you when it comes to egg collection and the percentage part of it. And the second benefit of the app is that it will calculate your feed intake of your birds. So if, let's say, your birds are eating really well and you give them 50 kilograms or 250 kilograms a day. So once you put that into the app, it will calculate exactly how much percentage each of your birds are eating. So how many grams each bird is eating. It will tell you whether they're eating 135 grams per bird per day, if that's what they've had. So once you put it in, it will calculate it for you automatically and it will be there for you. And you can also share these details with your workers on the farm. Benefit number 3 that this app does for you is it will calculate your bird's weight. So let's say your birds are gaining weight or they're losing weight. Normally you would just look at them and say, oh, they look very healthy, they look very good. But if you're not weighing them and putting this weight into something and being able to monitor how much actually they're weighing, you don't know. You know, like they could look very healthy and very fluffy but not actually have any weight. So what this app does is calculates the weight for you as well and for your birds. So you put the weight in and it will tell you whether or not the weight has gone up or it's coming down, and it will show you a graph of what that looks like. So all of that is pretty awesome. And it will also tell you the feed conversion ratio of your birds when you put their weight through and when you put the amount of feed that they're getting. It will tell you the conversion ratio per bird. And the fourth thing that it does for you is it will also monitor your water. So farmers forget about water and the importance of it, especially when you do layer chicken production. The importance of having your birds have enough water is underestimated, and this app helps you really keep an eye on it and monitor how much water your birds are having. So if you have those manual drinkers, they have measurement and you can tell how many liters of that you've given to your birds a day. You can calculate how many liters in total you gave them for the day, and it will tell you how many liters per bird each of them have had, how many milliliters each of your birds have had for that day. So that's the awesome thing about this app. The other thing that it will also cover is your mortality rate. So you know how your birds just die, it's called mortality rate. So it will cover your mortality rate of your birds, and it will cover how many of them have died, how many percentage of them are dying. So it will cover all of that for you as well. If you are liking this video so far, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you share it around with everyone. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for the love. Thank you for your support always. All right, let's get straight back in. All right, so the next thing that it will cover is your finance. So it will cover your income, your expenses. So let's say you're about to start a poultry farm. You haven't started yet. This app allows you to not only, I'm opening the window because I'm really hot. It allows you to not only monitor how much you're spending, it allows you to monitor it even before your birds arrive. So you can start documenting how much you spent on your charcoal, how much you spent on electricity, how much you're spending on the drinkers, the feeders, the feed itself, the birds themselves. So you can monitor that even before they arrive on the app. And this app is not only for a mobile phone. You can use it on a laptop, you can use it on an iPad. So it covers everything, and your guys can use it on the farm. You can use it offline, but only when you go back online would the information upload for you to be able to access it anywhere else around the world. So if you don't have internet at the time you're doing the calculations or that, you can still use it. It just will not upload the information in the clouds until you turn on your internet. So yeah, I thought it's an awesome app, and I think I'm forgetting something. So I'm gonna open the app and see if I've missed anything, so I can tell you exactly what it covers. So then you know exactly what to look for. So the feed, we talked about the feed, we talked about mortality, body weight, water intake, egg production, and I don't think I missed anything. That's how much I use this app. So yeah, we've covered basically everything. But yeah, the app is called 123 Poultry. Thank me later. And if you have not already subscribed, you can thank me by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others as well. But the awesome thing with this app is it will really help you, especially if you're a distance farmer, because you can be able to monitor your birds from wherever you are. You can be able to monitor to see whether or not they're gaining weight, whether or not they're losing weight, whether or not it's so hot. Right. So you can be able to monitor everything when it comes to your flock, and also the income. It also monitors your income as well, and it shows you a graph of how much you're spending and what you're spending on. So you can see exactly what most of your spending is on. And yeah, it's really good, and I think it will be of benefit to anybody that's starting a poultry, that is already doing poultry, that wants to go use technology on their farm. Like if you get online, it's easier for you to monitor things if you're doing things online. But if they're doing things on paper, they can tell you the weight and you wouldn't know whether or not that weight is going up or down. So by having the app, you can be able to monitor all those things, and you can be able to easily follow along as well. And this gets you involved in your farm. And this is the way that I feel like I'm part of the farm, and I feel like I belong on the farm, because I get to be part of this and I get to monitor. And when things come up, I get to notice it very quickly, and I will say, okay, we need to look at the weight, we need to look at the water intake, we need to look at this. So yeah, thank you so much guys for your love. Thank you for your support. Keep subscribing to the channel. Let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. I am almost at 500 subscribers. So if you're 8 people watching this video, the last time I checked it was 8 people left. If you're 8 people and you have not subscribed yet, subscribe please. All right, but thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my OGs. Thank you to all the new subscribers, guys. I've had lots of new subscribers, and I hope this app will help you in your journey to your own poultry business. Love you guys. See you next time. Mwah. Bye.